Oh shit, we have fruit, right?
Yeah. Well, okay, so we're going to be showing you how to make some juice. What?
We have fruit.
Yeah?
Bye. Give me the food.
Oh, yeah, we're going to make some juice today.
I'm gonna start it already so the bin is not looking.
We're going to make Kool-Aid. So let's go. First, you fill it up with water. Oh, stop trying to touch me. Why is it so bright? Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Gonna touch the water. No. Okay, now touch it.
You can see.
Okay, then you pick your 2 flavors. Our category is cherry and grape. From the Kool-Aid Man, who always gets shot.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, this fucking video is stupid.
What?
The videos are stupid, dude.
Oh yeah.
I'm fucking making Kool-Aid just for the people to see.
Because many people. This looks like shit.
It is shit. Oh, go ahead. We put it 2 cups.
Yeah. Put 2 cups.
And a half. Come on, sir. Let's give it 3 cups.
Okay.
Hey, answer.
Damn it, why do I have a camera?
Hey.
Hey, who's calling?
It might be you then.
It is. People will be quiet. Hello? Hello? Who is this?
Over there.
No, it didn't answer anybody. I'm munching on chips. I mean, popcorn. We are making juice. Juice. Now I'll taste it.
No, let's take shit. Alright. Give it some cups with water.
What?
Get some cups with ice. Oh.
Get some fruit and ice. Dude, we don't have a blender.
Yes, we do.
We do? Oh, yeah.
So big. You're so big.
Okay, so we're done?
Yes.
Okay, and that's how you make juice.